welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about two of my favorite crystals in my crystal collection. I did do a video naming all my crystals and showing you guys all the crystals in my collection in another video. If you guys didn't see that, I'll link it down below. So we're going to be talking about rose quartz and amethyst today, and I'm gonna go right into the video. So you can see here I have rose quartz in a larger size and a smaller size, and this is the rough crystal, so it's in its natural state without the tumbling process involved. So a little history about rose quartz. It's known as the love stone, or the stone of universal love. It's famous for the Greek mythology involving Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty, and Adonis, her lover, who is the god of rebirth and plants. In the story, it involves their love being so strong that her past lover got jealous. His name was Ares, who is the god of war, and his jealousy caused him to turn himself into a boar and killing Adonis while Adonis went out hunting. Aphrodite rushed to save Adonis, and in that process of running to save him, she fell on a thorn of bushes, where her blood was shed, and it fell onto Adonis's blood, and their mixture fell onto nearby quartz. This quartz was then stained pink, which is now known as rose quartz. And it did say that Zeus was very impressed and showed compassion on the story, where he acknowledged that rose quartz would be one of their powerful crystals in Greek mythology. In ancient Mesopotamia, there were rose quartz beads found in that area as far as 7000 BC. In ancient Egypt, it was believed to prevent aging, and historians have found rose quartz beads in rivers, and they believe that they rubbed their faces with it to prevent wrinkles and just to provide them with a youthful look. And today there are a lot of people who use rose quartz for using like face rolling. So that's a little background on rose quartz history. The properties of rose quartz and the energies of this crystal are believed to help you recognize self-compassion, self-forgiveness, and understanding. So a really great crystal for self-growth. This crystal is also said to heal problems in relationships and also healing old and negative emotions. Rose quartz restores trust and harmony in relationships, encouraging unconditional love. The astrology signs that are associated are Taurus and Libra. In the natural environment, these crystals are mostly found in Madagascar, India, Brazil, the US, and South Africa. Those are just some regions. And rose quartz is also known as the fourth chakra. So one of my favorite crystals, I carried a little one in my purse, and I definitely love to charge it and use it in my daily routine. So now we're going to talk about amethyst. I just love how purple this crystal is. It's just so beautiful to me. So the name amethyst in Greek is amethystos, which is translated to intoxicate. And there's a story behind why it got its name. So in Greek mythology, there was a story of a god of intoxication. His name was Dionysus or Dionys. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. So he lusted, and he really wanted a young maiden named Amethystos. And the story is said that Dionysus wanted her so bad that he released tigers while she was on her way to pray to a goddess named Diana. Diana knew what was happening, so she turned Amethystos into a statue of pure quartz to protect her from the tigers. Dionysus found her statue, and he wept tears of wine. These tears then turned the crystal into amethyst. So that's the story behind the Greek mythology portion of amethyst. And still to this day, or back in ancient Greek, it's believed to keep you from getting drunk. In ancient Egypt, amethyst stones are said to be used as amulets for prayer and protection against harm and evil. Amethyst was also mentioned in the Old Testament in Exodus 39. And Leonardo da Vinci has also claimed that the crystals helps to prevent and eliminate evil thoughts. So that was really interesting finding that out. Some fun facts: the amethyst crystal is the birthstone for anyone born in the month of February. And the healing properties involve peace and calm. It's recommended to meditate with amethyst for nervousness and anxiety. Some important things to note is that amethyst does fade into sunlight, so it's best to keep this out of the sun, away from your window. I like to keep it right by my desk, but away from the window. It's mostly found in Brazil, Uruguay, Bolivia, Mexico, the US, and Canada, just to name some. And it's also known as the seventh chakra. So these are two very important crystals. If you guys are getting into crystals, I think this is something that every person should grab and add to their collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you like videos like this, just let me know, and I'd be more than happy to make more of my collection. So I hope you guys have a very peaceful and beautiful day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.